NFT God Hack, all right? This is what I've learned. There's 3 simple ways to protect your crypto and NFTs. I'm going to tell you now. But before I do, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. NFT God Hack, guys. Losing NFTs and the trust of the community. Follow along with NFTevening.com, okay? Now, NFT God claims that a sponsored advertisement link led to his hack. The specific link contains a malware that then allowed hackers to access the NFT God system. The influencer then lost access to Twitter, Substack, Gmail, Discord, and wallet accounts due to the hack. This further led to the anonymous crypto builder losing almost all of his digital assets and collateral damage to his closest followers. Now, NFT God states that they used their ledger as a hot wallet rather than a cold wallet. Therefore, this left them open to hacks. To be specific, they entered the seed phrase in a way that no longer made it a cold wallet. This in turn grants access to hackers to users, NFTs and crypto. Therefore, the malicious software got into the system due to the NFT God clicking on a fake download link, and NFT God was trying to download the popular video streaming software OBS and clicked on one of the sponsored ad links instead of the official link. The influencer aimed to live stream a video game for the first time via the installed OBS software. However, a couple of hours after installation, Twitter user Clop.eth notified NFT God of the strange activity. Now guys, the reason we tell everyone to use a hardware wallet is because the main benefit of this is a software wallet like MetaMask is that all of your wallet's private information remains offline. Most scams and hacks, because a majority of wallets are either connected to the internet or set up on a device that's connected to the internet, such as your phone or your computer. Now, since a hardware wallet is a separate device that is not connected to the internet, as often, the likelihood of it being hacked is significantly reduced. There are a number of benefits of using hardware wallets, such as a wallet's private information remains unexposed, increased security due to multiple layers of authentication, secure chips against physical attacks, virtually zero vulnerabilities, you can hold multiple cryptocurrencies, NFTs in one wallet, and transaction verification is displayed on screen. Now, 2-factor authentication is a must. There probably isn't a day that goes by without you logging into at least one account. Maybe you can check your email, post to your social media, pay bills, send money to your friends and family, or just buying something online. Your accounts can store a lot of personal and financial information. Now, that's why you need to protect them with a password. Unfortunately, passwords are vulnerable to cyber attacks, but there's a simple way to make your accounts more secure. Turn on 2-factor authentication. Now, using only 1-factor authentication, say something, like a password or something like that, to log into your account is like having 1 lock on your front door. Okay, guys? Now, using 2-factor is like having 2 locks on your front door and is much more secure. That's why we're telling you must have 2 on. Even if a hacker knows your username and password, they can't log into your account with a second credential without using the authentication factor. Now, browser-based password managers, there is right ones that you should be using, but while browser-based password managers have made significant improvement in terms of security, okay, they are still far more risky than dedicated password managers. Browser-based password managers are vulnerable to malware attacks, and passwords are constantly being tested by hackers using a list of commonly used passwords. Not to mention, the passwords that the browser-based password managers generate are not as unique and customizable as those of the dedicated counterpart. So take C2 Password, a dedicated password manager, for example, okay? This provides encrypted, unique, and customizable password generation. It allows you to enter up to 30 characters of your choosing. You just need to enter a master key in a phrase field when you sign into a website, keeping your credentials even safer from hackers. That's it from me, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm going to see you next time.